Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the RRB NTPC reply which is filed by the student to get the details of result and other things as well. So you need to stay at the end of the video. So as we are aware of that, RRB NTPC has been successfully completed the examination of CBT, and as of now they do not release any official update regarding the result, and most of the students have got confused about that, because since they have recently seen in the newspaper from the September to October to November they announcing there might be result declared in this month. This scenario is happening in last 2 to 3 months, and due to this reason few of the students filed RTI to get the exact details of RRB NTPC result, and this RTI is filed on the date of 15th of November 2021 to get the details of your RRB NTPC result. What they said that the RRB Mumbai in the receipt of your application 9th 11th 2021, that is 9th of November 2021, in which you have asked about the information CEN 0119, that is RRB NTPC, about the information related to the result. So the date of first CBT result has not yet fixed, even though for the second CBT date, once the result has been declared, then you are able to go with the second CBT. And also a few of the students ask about what was the expected month for the CBT 2. They have clearly mentioned that once the CBT 1 result has been declared, after around more than a month required to go for the CBT 2. That's why they have replied in a simple manner. If you need any update from the RRB recently, visit on official website to get the details of all the other things related to the result and along with the CBT 2 exam date as well. So that's all for this update, because so many of students has asking about these things. And they have also mentioned one more thing: if you are not satisfied with this reply, you can also go as per the section 910 to appeal and get the right information against the 1961 Act. So these are the information which is provided by the official. If you have any type of query, you can again get the RTI section 19 and get the proper details if you are not satisfied with that reply. And these notification or these replies are released through the Railway Board of Mumbai Central. And this is update for the RRB NTPC result. And if you need any other things, do mention in comment box. If you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.